verified badge on Instagram. What's up guys, all good? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, you'll learn how to request and get your verified badge on Instagram. It's now possible to request your verified badge, so follow the instructions in this video. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I create various tutorials to make it easier for you. So, recently you can request your verified badge, pay a monthly fee, and have your verified badge. Unfortunately, it's not possible for businesses, only individuals. So guys, you're on your profile, here my Mundo Paiva info profile, and you're going to click up here on these three lines. Then you're going to look for the Meta Verified option. If it's not available to you yet, you can click on Settings and Privacy, and you can click on Account Center. Scroll down a little bit and you'll find Meta Verified down here. So it could be the first or second option. Click here. You'll see a warning about building trust with a verified badge, which gives you greater account protection and support when you need. Exclusive stickers, simply click subscribe below. Remember, you need to be over 18 and it's not suitable for businesses. Click here to see all the eligibility requirements. Confirm the profile you want the verified badge for. I'll click register here. It will show the monthly cost to have this badge, which is $55.00 to have the verified badge. So all you need to do is click on Pay Now below. In this video, you have learned how to get your verified badge on Instagram. If you have any doubts, put them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm signing off for now. Take care and stay blessed. Thanks.